Kublai pi ki viewers sai sen pat hagane ka video ngan wala biang pi hagabe dei bat ki khubor like kam ki hagane ka video ngan pen sngaw pi hagabe dei bat ki vacancy post lane ki post ki balait hapo jong ka State Bank of India lane SBI ke shwa bangan sedang ya kani ka jingpen bana lane ka information shepi ki viewers lane ki khun samlai ki bakwa ban apply lane ki badang wat kam kerpat ye pila da pidang temai haka video bat ke channel ke junga sob hawanum klet ban subscribe ya o subscribe button kunjuru ban ye share bat ban ye like na kubenta ki parlo ki chongki. So I will read first in English so that uh, another people who are not Khasi, they can understand which post. And here are the notification. State Bank of India invites online application from eligible Indian citizen for appointment as probationary officers. The selected candidate may be posted anywhere in India. Candidates are requested to apply online through the given link on Bank Official website. So the prospective candidates who intend to apply for the post are advised to apply only after carefully reading and understanding the undernoted contents of this notification. The Nagliang jong ka State Bank of India kalakon online application na kubenta banjit ya ki probationary officers but banle ya kata kidon kam ban apply deng ba ka online mode di kinu ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply na kubenta kite ki post lane ki bakwa ban appoint ki probationary officers kin sobha ban pule bahaya ki instruction lane ya kani ka notification hashwa bapin apply na kabenta kite ki post de hagani ka SBI lane State Bank of India kidon hadu reduce partly ki post the total vacancy for State Bank of India for the probationary officers. Total number are 600 vacancies. For scheduled tribes, 57, scheduled castes, 87, OBC, 158, EWS, 58, unreserved, 240, and grand total, there will be 600 total of vacancies in the SBI. So, nakabanta jungi ki scheduled tribes ki don hadu san punyo tali ki total number of posts but kunjuru namda ki unreserved ki don hadu arspa saupu tali ki post de mangi ki khasi jointi abat garo ngila ban apply ye ki artili ki category de nakata kadau lada pikwa ban apply nang ta ki post hapo ka SBI subha ban shim ye kane kalat kabu apply no hashwa bakan code category di kelas date ba pila ban apply nang ta kini ki post kande hadu ka khandru tarik January arhajar arpusan shushu ngine page hangne na ka banta ka eligibility criteria ka badai jong ka age limit de nang banta ka age limit not below 21 years and not above 30 years as on 1st of April 2024 and there will be a relaxation for scheduled tribes, that is 5 years. Di nakabenta ka age limit kapag pila ban apply kan de ya kito ki candidates ki bala don ya karta kaba arpois nem shajrong bat kam de ban pelat ya kalai post nem. But kumjuru kan don ka relaxation nam da jungi ki scheduled tribes kab de lai pusan sorry kab de sans nem di nakata kadaw ngila ban apply na du arpuei hadu lai pusan nem. Sungba shimya kane kalat ka kabula da pila don hakite ka karta subha ban apply na kabta kite post but kumjuru na kabenta ka essential qualification kino ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply na kabta kite post jong ka probationary officers kide ban pendep ya ka graduation in any discipline de kino ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka graduate la ban apply na kebentai kita gipus hapo ka State Bank of India. Tina kebentai ka salary lani ka jingsiu emolument. Presently, the starting basic pay is 48,480 plus. Di nakabenta ka salary shibnai kan sedang nadu ka sau prahajar sau spa prapo tangka shibnai bat kan poiru lakumno du prapsan hajar kandai spa arpo tangka shibnai. Di nakata kadau ngong epi namar ba kadei kapus kaba he hapo ka bank di nakata kadau ka jingsiu ka he hangne. Di sngobhang ki candidates lani ki parlok ki jonga kamtame ki viewers ki bape kani ka video lada pila pendep ya ketika qualification subha chim ya kani kalat kabu apply na kabenta ki post but penkrep ha na kabenta ka written examination ban sapelong haki center ki baper ki badon hapo kari India but na kabenta jungi ki bade hapo ka state Meghalaya ka center ru wanum ting wanum kuslai kadon hapo Shillong bat tura di nakata kadau haba pi pendam ya ketik application subha ban choose ya ka center hapo Shillong lani hatura ya tangkatahi hakbaya dei bat kani ka notification kaba dang shuyok shen bat saisin lada pidon ki bomshai lane ki ba pimtip kumno ba pin apply ya ketik pus subha ban bu ya kita gi comments ki jongpi hagi comment box section kana bangan tip lane bangan nang la ki don em ki viewers ki bakwa ban apply nang ba mobile phone yo le se pimtip ki subha ban bu ya ki comment ki jongpi takata hi ak bedi bakani ka khubor ka ba menta hakani ka video kublai shibun ya kejeng pelut por jongpi ban page ya ka video kejonga subha bupinya share like but subscribe na ka benta kiwei pade ki khubor like kam kublai shibun